When your tax preparer requests that you download documents to TaxFolder, you will receive an email. Click the Sign in to TaxFolder button in this email to sign in to your client portal. If this is the first time your tax preparer has invited you to your client portal, you will also receive another email inviting you to connect to TaxFolder. Click the Connect to TaxFolder button in this email first and follow the steps to create an account and connect it to TaxFolder. After signing in or creating an account, TaxFolder will automatically redirect you to your personalized, secure client portal. Once you see the Your Engagements screen, look for the most recent in-progress engagement, usually the one at the top of the list, and click the Documents button. Click the Preparer Documents tab. To open the document in your browser window, click the document name. To download the file, click the Download Final Copy button. If your tax preparer needs you to electronically sign or approve a document, an orange number appears on the Signature and Approval Requests tab. Go to this tab and review the documents there to complete these requests. Once you retrieve all the documents, click the Exit button to return to the Your Engagements screen. Back on the Your Engagements screen, click your name in the top right corner of the window and select Sign Out. This is an important step to keep your documents private, especially on a shared computer.